What is up, you guys? It's your boy CA Corey back with another video. Let me close the windows real quick. But yeah, today we're headed to Downforce Solutions. I'll put their page somewhere over here, but they pretty much work on like a lot of Mopars, pretty much any car, honestly. They have a really dope shop. Their 3D printer and all that stuff can make any design that you want. So today I'm getting my 2 side skirts taken off. It's about time. It literally scrapes every single wear. Like, oh, I love it. It looks great. It looks phenomenal with the rest of the kit, but after a while, hold on, let me turn on the AC. It's getting hot as hell. Hold on, let me. But yeah, man, like, I don't know. I feel like it served its purpose. It did what it had to do. I've been to so many car shows with it, and yeah, man, it served its purpose for me. So I'm really not mad at it. Like, it did everything it was supposed to do. It did it for me, so I'm not mad at it. But yeah, it's just been scraping a lot, and I hit something on the highway the other day, and the left side skirt is like all bent up. The one on the right, it's a little less bent, but it just looks bad because now that I scratched it so much, the paint itself is chipped off. So at this point, I gotta get him taken off. I thought about just having him try to bend it himself, but the way these streets are set up and the car is super low, it would just bend right back and I would be having the same problem. So I'd much rather just have the side skirts taken off because the car is really low. Appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. I always love people who show love to cars, like, especially if you're a real car guy. That's literally the best thing. So love it. But yeah, man, I'm headed to their shop right now. He said to come at 10 a.m. As you guys can see, I'm probably gonna be on time or a little bit early, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, man, I'm trying to make sure I get this taken off. I've been dying to do this. I just haven't had the time to go. So now that I actually have the time to go and all that, I'm definitely going. Should I cut up a little bit for you guys? Should I cut up a little bit? What should I do? I want all these trucks to move, I'm not gonna lie. Damn. Oh, that car came up behind me quick. You see him? You guys see him on the cam? Alright, let's see. This dude behind me got places to be. He got places to be. So let's see. But yeah, overall the car looks sick right now. Like right now, the way the car looks, it's like perfect setup. No issues, no problems. Like literally perfect. So that's what I'm telling you. I literally have no issues right now. People love to cut up with me. I don't know what it is. They love cutting up. Yeah, I'm getting off soon, so that guy's getting off. But yeah, I've been meaning to do this for a minute, but I just haven't really found the time, and now we got a time that works for us. The guys at this shop, they also travel as well. They always go back to like a bunch of different states to help people put on their kits. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's not cheap. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh, well, tell the shop I sent you and they're gonna give you a deal. Like, no, that's not. Everything they do is chassis mounted, so I could do 210 miles in this C8 and the kit's not going anywhere. Like, the average person that got his kit or front lip off of eBay or something like that, that just has an adhesive on the back, his might fly off. Mine, I've been through hurricanes, all type of stuff, and nothing has moved or budged even a little bit. So today I'm gonna just have him take off the side skirts and just tighten up everything just in case. So once I do that, I'll be set. The only thing I'm kind of nervous about, because I know they had to make decent sized holes to get these things to fit, so I'm just kind of nervous for if he takes off the side skirt and it ends up looking crazy. That's the only thing that might bug me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of nervous about that, because if the holes are big, it's not gonna look right. Like, if I take it off, because now there's nothing covering those holes, right? So, and I really don't want to get 2 new side skirts, because they'll probably just last me about 10-11 months, which is a decent amount of time before you got to change them out again. So I would much rather just take them off. So fingers crossed that when they take off these side skirts, because I saw when he drilled it, it didn't look too bad. Plus, it's on the bottom of the car. It's not like, you know, it isn't like you're gonna be in traffic and people are gonna be able to see, like, oh crap, look at his car, you know? So yeah, I'm just trying to take it a day at a time, So I just hope it looks good. I just want everything to go smooth, to be honest. Like, anytime I do something always happens, so I'm trying to just be positive here, because I'm not trying to deal with the headaches of, you know, changing stuff out, doing stuff, you know. So that's really what I'm trying to do. I think I'm getting off right here, I think. Is it 33? Let's see. Oh yeah, right here, okay. Okay. Yep, Cypress Creek, alright. But yeah, I haven't been to that shop in a minute. How do people drive with no doors? Make this make sense, man. How do people drive with no doors on? So yeah, I'm hoping that they're there right now. I know sometimes they go to the junkyard, so I'm hoping that they're there. I'm probably gonna make a part 2 to this, because I don't want it to be some really long 50-minute video. So I would much rather just film this little POV on the way there, and then I'm gonna just make a part 2 filming them, like taking off the stuff and going from there. So let's see what happens. Come on, guys, get a little bit aggressive. Get aggressive here, man. There you go. Got 2 cars. I was gonna go after this one, but I can't tell. All right, let's go after this one. Wait, someone make a right? I don't remember going this way. I know before I went down that way, but you know what? Maybe it's trying to like route me. Maybe it's trying to route me away from traffic. Who knows? At this point, you never know. So, oh yeah, it is. Yeah, because I always end up going down there, and then I make a right somewhere. But this is taking me away from a lot of the traffic, which is cool. As long as I get there, that's all I care about. So there's always cops in this area too, man. I'm not trying to get pulled over on the way there. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this POV. They're just building apartments every day. Look at that brand new building. You know, at some point everything is gonna crash. Like the prices of apartments, condos and all that, like everything's gonna crash. Because I heard in Miami they said they built too many and they can't sell as fast as they're building. So there might be a crash in rent. We'll see what happens. I'm here for it, bro. I'm here for the crash, like, because I was thinking of moving to Miami anyway. So at least if they have that, it'll be perfect timing. Okay, I know I turn soon, 1.3 miles. But yeah, this is one of the few shops that I gotta say, for guys who want a roll cage and all that, they don't do that. But as far as like kits and stuff goes, that's their main thing. Like that's what they focus on. So, and they really know what they're doing. If you guys want to see that video, you can see it on my channel. Just put in like CA Corey Downforce Solutions and it should pop up. So, but yeah, they know their stuff. It's actually cool, the bolts and the screws that they got, they put their logo on it. So, you know, gotta be different, man, gotta be different. So I'm also driving slow because I can't tell if this is an undercover behind me or what. So but yeah, man, the shop is really, really good. They do amazing work. Never had an issue. And they're the only sponsor on the car currently. I could have had more, but the thing is, like, I don't really have plans on, oh, damn, I'm gonna have to do it again. I'm gonna have to cut in front of somebody to come over. I filmed the whole process when they put this kit on. It was just like a 50-minute video. We were there for at least an hour and change, but you know, I had to edit some parts out, whatever. And at some point, when I feel like putting the titanium exhaust on or a different track exhaust, I'm gonna probably try to find a good shop for that too as well. Cause you don't want to cheap out on a shop, you know. Cause I've heard some horror stories where you cheap out and then you end up getting a leak in the exhaust or something. So don't go cheap, guys. Especially with a car like this, it's 100,000 plus. I know when they first came out, they were 75K, but this is a fully loaded C8. It's got every option you could think of. So it's 100 plus. So when you have a car like this, you don't want to be too cheap. I'm telling you, it's really not worth it. It's not worth the stress. It's not worth the headache. And honestly, being cheap always made me have to pay twice. I don't think there's ever been a time that I was cheap and I only had to pay one time and everything worked out. Every time I've been cheap, I've had to overpay, pay again, take it to a different shop, like always, man. So don't be too cheap. I'm telling you, it's not worth the headache. It's not worth it. Yo, this is a long light. Jesus Christ. I always miss this turn because it comes up so quick. We'll see, let's see. But yeah, for people who don't know, this car is really good on gas. Like, well, let me stop exaggerating. This car is good on gas when you're in tour mode, which is like the comfort mode. When you're in this mode, you're not gonna run through gas. Any other mode, you're gonna fill up gas 2-3 times that day. So it's just the beauty of having a Corvette, right? I'm not gonna lie, I've been searching up a lot of 3LZs. Oh, let me see. Oh yeah, I think it's in the back here. Yep. So yeah, I've been searching up a lot of 3LZs, and I don't know, I think they're dope cars. And now I see why people who get Corvettes, they end up staying with Corvettes, because Corvettes, as long as you stay on top of maintenance, you're not gonna have no issues, promise you. So guys, I just pulled up to the shop. I'll film when I get inside, and you will see a part 2. All right. Please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.